Hey, welcome back to Out to Smoke. I'm Malcolm, got Mark here with me. Mark, we're at your crib today, man. We got the air fryer out, we got some hot oil today, we got a platter full of chicken wings. What are we gonna be doing on Out to Smoke today, man?
You know we love wings. That's one of our favorite things. We're gonna see if we can get as good a wing on an air fryer as we can in a regular oil fryer.
I've got one at home. You've got the Ninja air fryer here. There's all kinds of different brands of them. But I see a lot of people cooking on them, saying that you can do wings in an air fryer just as good as we can do fried wings. We're gonna find out.
That grease gotta do something. It's gotta be good.
I wanna see if we can get them crispy, but we're gonna do these wings the same way. We're not gonna put anything on them to start. We're gonna drop some in the air fryer. We're gonna drop some in some 350-degree oil. We're gonna toss them in the same sauce and compare those wings. See if that air fryer can stand up to a fried wing. You ready?
Hey, anytime we can eat wings, I'm down.
Hey, let's get to frying. So Mark, we're starting with some whole wings today. Cut them up into drums and flats. No seasoning on them. We've had them setting out, kind of air drying a little bit. And we're gonna start with the air fried wings. We know they're gonna take a little bit longer. What do you got your air fryer set on?
So I set it to 425, just a little bit hotter, because you want to get that skin good and crispy. And like you said, it's going to take a little bit longer. But my thing is, I'm not worried about internal. I'm going to overcook these wings. I know we're going to take them to 200, but it's all about getting that skin crispy, and that's what we're going to try. All right, Ninja says add food. We're going to throw the wings to it.
Man, it sounds like you got a dadgum tornado off in that air fryer.
Man, listen to that sizzling. Malcolm, it's been 7 minutes. Time to peek at them.
They look like they're frying.
They crispy looking. They still got a few minutes. I know we're gonna kind of flip them all over. Get the lid shut, go another 7 minutes.
All right, we're ready to fry these wings now, Mark. This is gonna be kind of our control. We know how good a fried wing is. We just got 350-degree oil, no seasoning, straight wings. You can get, what, about 8 in a basket on this fryer, something like that. We're gonna go ahead and knock these out. And they ought to catch the air fried wing. We're just dropping them down in this grease. It'll take about 10 minutes.
Flats are temping about 200. That's about where we want them.
How do they feel? They feel tender?
They feel tender.
I love that color on them. What we can do now is to keep them crispy. Let's take them out and set them on a raised rack. But it looks like a brown, golden, delicious, crispy wing. Now, is it gonna taste crispy? I don't know. All right, so these fried wings have been in the hot oil about 10 minutes. We're just gonna let them sit here and hang out, kind of drain a little bit in the basket. All right, so I'm gonna toss the air fried wing first. I like to do them in batches, a few at a time. And we've just got a little standard wing sauce we threw together, some butter, some hot sauce. Doesn't take a whole lot because we wanna get them coated. But we're just gonna toss them around. So we'll keep the air fried wings over on one side here. All right, Mark, so we air fried this side of the board. They went in about 7 minutes, 425 degrees. We flipped them, another 7 minutes. They were temping out that 195 to 200 range. Deep fried this side of the board. Took about 10 minutes, 350-degree oil. They look very similar. The sauce we tossed them in was just butter, hot sauce, a little bit of habanero wing sauce. We wanted a little kick. They look about the same. The air fried wings are really soaking that sauce up. Yeah. They look really, really good. Now we get to try them. So let's do air fried first. You want to? We know what these are going to be like.
Might as well.
Let's do an air fried wing. See if we get any crispy crunch. I know it's probably hot. They're juicy. I'm not getting much crisp on mine. The skin's kind of soft. It's got a good flavor, but as far as being crispy, I don't know. Let's go for old reliable.
Go for a drum
crispy
again.
deep fried. Oh, I'm gonna go flat this time.
Texture's way better.
Texture better, crunch is better. Now, I'll say this, the air fryer, no way near as good as a deep fried wing.
No.
But it's not a bad wing at all.
If you said you were gonna cook me wings, you brought them out, I wouldn't send them
Wouldn't
back.
be disappointed. I mean, as far as you got an air fryer at home, you wanna do some wings in it, hey, this is an easy way to do it. It's pretty daggum quick. You're talking 14 minutes. So Mark, air fried wing versus a traditional deep fried wing, what's your take on it?
Air fried wing was way better than I expected, especially after putting it through the sauce. Are you gonna beat fried in oil? I don't think so, but that's by no means a bad wing. I would do that again in a heartbeat, especially if I wanna get out here and sweat and fight the flies, cook wings inside, I'd do it again.
I think I could fool somebody with those flats,
Yeah.
side by side. I mean, the air fryer's probably gotta be healthier for you because you're not using any kind of oil. That deep fried wing, traditional wing, definitely tastes a little better. This wing right here, no seasoning, just toss it in sauce. I'll give it thumbs up all day long.
That's a darn good wing.
Hey, I would use my air fryer for wings now. Hey, appreciate y'all hanging out with us here at Out the Smoke. Mark, where can they find you, man?
Y'all can find us at Swine Life BBQ on all the platforms. We appreciate y'all checking it out. Y'all got any questions, let us know.
Hey, y'all know y'all can get me at HowtoBBQRight. Hit us up on the Out the Smoke Facebook page. If there's something you'd like to see us try or review, be glad to add it to our list. We'll see y'all next time.